Our first speaker today is Tanya, who is being evaluated by Thorsten.
Greetings, fellow Toastmasters and honored guest. Please close your eyes and imagine taking on the wild adventure of organizing my school's graduation ceremony. It was more than just a job. It was a heartfelt mission to create a day where every child felt special and every parent beamed with pride. We started by setting clear goals, aiming for a graduation day that everyone would remember fondly, and hopefully with minimal tears and tantrums. Preparation was intense and detailed. I made a checklist as intricate as planning a royal wedding, except with more glitters and fewer tiaras. From picking the perfect songs for the children to perform, to planning their entrance onto the stage, and making sure their speeches were both inspiring and short. Every detail mattered. I even considered hiring a lion tamer for crowd control, but apparently that's frowned upon. Making sure the children looked their best was important too. We asked them to come early to practice wearing their graduation gowns and caps, so they felt comfortable and confident. Parents were invited a bit later, which built excitement and ensured that the focus was on our graduates. It also gave us time to hide the cookie crumbs. Finding the right venue was an adventure. We searched for a place that felt warm and welcoming, and finally found the perfect spot. A place where memories would be made and dreams would come true. And more importantly, a place that didn't mind a bit of glitter embedded in their carpet forever. 3 weeks before the big day, I met with the teachers to assign roles and responsibilities. Every detail, from the music to the slideshows that captured precious moments, was carefully planned. It felt like putting together a team of superheroes, each with their own unique and important job to ensure everything went smoothly. I was basically assembling the Avengers of our school. My own speech, I was very nervous. Speaking to a room full of proud parents and excited graduates was scary. But with sincerity, I delivered a message that touched everyone, earning applause and thanks. And let's be honest, if you can survive a room full of children hopped up on juice boxes, you can survive anything. Delegation was key. I made sure every part, from the food to the last paper cup, was perfect. It wasn't just about planning an event. It was about making sure that every moment showed the love and dedication we had put into it. Plus, I now know more about paper cup varieties than I ever thought possible. And when the day arrived, it was magical. Everything went perfectly well. The smiles on the faces of parents and children said it all. And the compliments from the head office were the cherry on top proof that our hard work had paid off. From this experience, I learned that careful planning and a heartfelt effort can turn any event into a magical and memorable occasion. No detail is too small when it comes to making people feel valued and appreciated. And of course, I learned that even when it feels like you are planning a royal wedding, it's always a good idea to have a sense of humor, because there's nothing quite like the sight of a 5-year-old adjusting their cap with the seriousness of a royal guard, or a tiny graduate trying to give a speech while picking their nose. Thank you.